All right, the bike is all locked up. We're back at camp. It's a little after 2 o'clock. Now I'm going to hop in the van and go back to the headwaters, and I'm going to walk the Mississippi River. And I decided I'm just going to stay in my shorts. If they get wet, I can just come. I got another pair inside. I can just change if I need to. So I'm not going to put the swimming suit on. I think it should be okay, but I'll be able to change if I have to. So let's hop in the van and head over to the headwaters, and then after that, the wilderness drive. All right, just got to the Headwaters Center here, the Mary Gibbs Headwaters Center. It took 10 minutes driving, and with riding bike it takes about 20, so half the time. I'm going to go take a look in the gift shop first before walking down the river getting wet. So maybe I'll buy something, and there's maybe a t-shirt, I don't know. I'll just look around and see if there's something. All right, I did buy a t-shirt in the gift shop. I'll take a quick look at it. Whoops. Get it spread out just right. There we go. Mississippi Headwaters, Itasca. That's 1891 State Park. There we go. And that was 23 bucks. Okay, let's head over to the headwaters and go walk the Mississippi River. All right. Come back. There's the rocks. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go into the water. All right, heading in. Oops, sorry. I prefer not to show that much leg. Whoa. Kind of cool. There's the headwaters right back there. The water's quite high. Yeah, look at that. All right, I'm on the other side of the bridge there. Little footbridge, a log bridge. I'm heading down the Mississippi River right now on foot. That's the direction I'm going. Not too deep here at all, actually. Went under a tree. And now I have the unknown in front of me, heading down river. What's around the bend? And it is not deep at all here, actually. Not even knee high. It's flowing pretty darn good, though. Just a touch above the knees now. I didn't roll up my shorts, they would have been getting wet right at the ends there. Right now that I'm standing right here in this particular spot, right back right there, that opening in between the trees, that's the natural source of the Mississippi River. What we just walked at is the man-made one that's more accessible than what this place would have been right there. I guess it's too like swampy and stuff, so that one was made to make it more accessible for, you know, to come see and do what I'm doing right now. Yeah, get rocks in my Crocs while I'm walking. Rocks in my Crocs, that's rhymed. Gotta get them out. And there's the ever famous lily pads. Here it is. I'm about to go underneath what I call gum bridge. Look at all the gum. And none of them's mine. There's a duck. Oh. Ooh. Not as much gum on this side. All right, I'm now at the deepest spot where I've been so far. Deeper yet. Yeah, I don't think it's getting any higher than this. I mean, almost to the end where I come out pretty soon, where I exit the river. There we go. Made it. Yeah, the front is dry, but got wet in the back there. Yeah, got a little wet, but not enough to warrant changing them. So I'm gonna head back to the van and go on the wilderness drive.